Hello patrons, how are you doing? This is the first of, hoping, many videos just for you guys. We have just filmed the engine bay clean video, and rather than making another video of cleaning for the world to see, we're going to be making this one just for you with Elliot from Valet Pro, so you get to admire him at the same time as well. Enjoy. There's going to be, we are using the Valet Pro cleaning gear. We've got advanced neutral snow foam, the concentrated car wash, and dragon's breath as well, and you're going to be amazed at what the dragon's breath is going to be pulling out that paintwork. So yeah, sit back, grab a tea or something, relax, and watch us as we clean the heck out of this dirty old Docker van. First thing we're going to be putting on the wheels is a dragon's breath. You've seen me use this before on Project Lockdown, but what exactly is it and why do we use it?
So it's a iron fallout remover for wheel, but it's also a wheel cleaner. So this is going to pull out all the iron fallout from the brakes, things that it picks up in the road, stuff like that. And it's also going to clean the wheels for us as well.
First step, let's do it.
So you'll see as this hits the rust, which is sort of open metal, it's going to start to change colour and go purple, because it's having that. The purple colour shows it's having that reaction with the ferrous metals. So being a little bit rusty, it's going to go bright purple.
Stage 2 is
Advanced neutral snow foam. So it's pH neutral, but it's got the cleaning power of an alkaline. So again, we're going into the citrus pre-wash, so it's got the Olympic orange fragrance in there, so it's slightly solvent based, and that's going to then give us some great but safe cleaning power.
and it looks cool.
Yeah, and it smells nice.
I like that. Right, so in this is an aftermarket type dispenser bottle, spray bottle. You can get these as extras for your culture if you don't want to get all of this sort of stuff. But in terms of the adjustment on the top, what did you say? It was, you want it on minus?
So minus is actually more products flowing through.
Yeah.
And the plus is more water flowing through. So minus is strong, and then if you put it to plus, then you're adjusting that sort of water outlet.
So the dial is for the water only?
Yeah,
really?
basically.
Okay.
So it adjusts, so that's how foamy it'll be, so you're not sucking in through as much product.
Excellent.
So in there we've got a 300ml to 700ml ratio, so 300ml of product, 700ml of water.
Brilliant. So we're not tightened all the way down.
No, with that sort of ratio on that, you'd probably want to go, so you put it all the way to plus and then go back half a turn.
Mad. Okay, cool. Let's go. Starting from the roof. The van is now clean. We've given it a good scrub. We've decontaminated it. The next stage is a sealing coating. Is that right?
Yeah, protection stage. Yeah. So we're using a product called Snow Seal. So this gets applied via the foam lancer the same way that we applied the snow foam earlier. So 50 millilitres of product and then top the rest up with water. Because it's quite a big van, I've just done double because we're going to need to use a bit more. But on a car, it's 50 millilitres of product and then you top it up with about 250 ml worth of water. But we doubled it up today just because we've got a bit more of a surface to work on. But this will apply with the foam lance. We basically look like we're snow foaming the van again. And then the dwelling time is literally the time it takes to take it off your snow foam, change it and rinse it. So there's no sort of like dwell time, you'd have to leave it like a wax for like 25 minutes, something like that. It's literally spray it on, rinse it off, and then we'll do a few shots where you'll be able to see the difference between the beading and the flat of how the paintwork was before it was protected.
Cool. And what's that going to do long term for the paint?
So about 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
Depending on how many times you wash it, when the weather and stuff like that. So it's a great product to use in the winter where you don't want to be out in the cold for ages sort of waxing. It's just a quick 5-minute way to protect your car for a couple of months.
Mad. Cool, let's do it.
So you can see the way the water's just sitting flat on here now. It means there's no protection on the paintwork, so it's just running straight off and it's just flat there. Once we've sprayed this on, you should see this beading nicely, which means you've got a protection coating in between the water and the paintwork.
Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much for being a patron. This video's just been for you, but check out the results. Honestly, with just using the right bits and pieces, especially that sealant right at the end, it's just transformed it. It's still a bit rusty, still a bit crappy, but there are big plans. We may even paint this, who knows. But for the time being, it's certainly It's certainly a lot more presentable now, and we're very happy with that. So thanks again, dude. Thanks for using all the products. Again, being a patron as well, I'm sure we can sort some sort of deal in the future with some of the Valet Pro guys and some of the products as well. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Super. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.